Click the very first result you see. Now, look for See All Versions and click that. Scroll down a bit and choose BlueStacks 5. Make sure you pick Nougat 64-bit. Click Download and just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, open the app. Now try searching for Loklok. If it asks, click Install Google Play Store. After that, log in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, search Loklok again and hit Install. And that's it, you're all set.